You scroll through social media and what do you see? Someone claiming you can make millions with AI just by typing a simple prompt. But let's be real. If it were that easy, wouldn't all your classmates be millionaires by now? So today, we're going to cut through all that hype and give you a realistic guide on how students can actually make money with AI. No magic tricks, I promise.
And this quote right here, it just nails it. AI isn't some magic money machine that you just turn on. Think of it as a force multiplier. It takes whatever skill you already have and just amplifies it. But if you've got nothing to start with, well, you know the math. 0 times anything is still 0.
Okay, so if AI is just a multiplier, what's the game plan? How do you actually use it to make some real money? Well, today I'm going to walk you through 3 proven paths, from a long-term asset to a quick cash gig that you can literally start right now. And you're definitely going to want to stick around because at the end, I'll reveal the one single blueprint that makes all of these paths work. All right, first things first, we gotta bust a major myth. The problem isn't the AI itself, it's what we expect from it. We've all been sold this idea that it's a magic shortcut. You type in a prompt and boom, money comes out. But that's just not how it works in the real world.
This little formula right here, it's everything. Let's say your normal work speed is 1x. AI can crank that up to 5x, 10x, maybe even 20x. Look, it's not going to do the work for you, but it will make you insanely efficient. So if you're ready to team up your skills with AI, you're in exactly the right place.
All right, let's get into path number 1. Now, this is my personal favorite, mostly because it's so perfect for beginners. This is the long-term play, building an AI-powered Instagram theme page. Yeah, it takes effort, but over time, this is the one that can generate the most income. And the process? It's actually way simpler than you might think. You just pick a niche you're into, then you use an AI like ChatGPT for all your ideas. You could literally just ask it for 20 viral hooks for a student productivity page. After that, you use an AI image generator to whip up your graphics. The real key, though, is posting consistently. You do that, and once you build an audience, the money will follow. So where do you even begin? Well, don't just post random quotes. You gotta pick a niche that's relatable, always in demand, and, easy to make money from. These are some of the best ones killing it right now. Tons of demand and an endless supply of content ideas you can just generate with AI. Okay, but let's talk real money. What's the actual payoff here? I want to be super honest with you about the numbers. Once you hit 10,000 followers, you can realistically expect to make around 5 to 8,000 rupees a month from brand deals. As you grow to 50,000, that can jump to 30 to 60,000. And get this, that's before you even think about selling digital products, which could easily push you over 1 lakh a month. Okay, moving on to path number 2. We're calling this one the skills cycle. This is more of a medium effort strategy. It's all about learning a small skill with AI, building a digital product around it, selling it, and then just doing it all over again with a new skill. So the whole idea here revolves around something called a micro skill. You don't have to become a master of some huge topic like content writing, no way. Instead, you just focus on one tiny piece of it, like writing YouTube scripts or crafting ad copy. These are the kinds of skills you can learn super fast with AI as your personal tutor, often in just a couple of days. So here's how this cycle works, and it's pretty brilliant. You use an AI like ChatGPT to teach you the framework for a micro skill. Then, with AI's help, you build a digital product and sell it on a platform like Gumroad or Instamojo. Once that little income stream is up and running, you just pick a new micro skill and repeat the whole process. Simple. And you might be thinking, okay, but what would I even build? Well, here are some awesome ideas that are in high demand right now. For example, you could ask an AI to teach you how to design a Notion template for students. You build it, you sell it, and then you ask the AI to teach you how to make a simple habit tracker. Each new product just becomes another stream of income. And that brings us to our third and final path. This is for all you students out there who need cash like right now. While the other paths build long-term wealth, AI-assisted freelancing is the cleanest, simplest, zero investment way to get some cash flowing immediately. The amazing thing is you don't need these heavy-duty skills like coding or pro video editing anymore. Thanks to AI, you can offer services like these. Just think about it. A company needs 10 blog posts. You can use AI to research and write the first drafts in a tiny fraction of the time. The AI is doing like 70 to 80% of the heavy lifting for you. So how do you price this stuff? You gotta start small and be smart about it. In your first month, charge a few hundred rupees for small tasks on a site like Fiverr, just to get some good reviews. By month 2, you can start charging 1,000 or 2 for a full script. And by month 3, once you've got a solid portfolio, you can be charging thousands per project, with the potential to earn up to 1 lakh a month. Seriously. Okay, so we've just walked through 3 totally different, really powerful methods: the digital asset, the skill cycle, and the quick gig. But what's the one thing they all have in common? What's the thread that ties it all together? It's not just about the tactics, it's about the blueprint that's underneath it all.
This right here, this is the secret sauce. It's the framework that makes all three of those paths actually work. I call it the wealth triangle. It's got three sides, and trust me, you need all of them to make it big. Let's break it down.
Side number one is skill. But listen, and this is important, we're not talking about becoming a world-class expert here. You just need a micro skill. That's it. Because the AI is going to take that one little skill and make you 10 times more powerful. Okay, side number two, systems. And I need you to pay a close attention here because this is where 95% of students completely drop the ball. They get all excited, they try something for 2 days, and then what happens? They fall right back into their old habits, always looking for the next shiny thing. They have no consistency. There's a saying I love, and it is so, so true. Goals are great, but they're useless without a system to get you there. A system is posting 2 carousels a day, every single day, no excuses. A system is spending 1 hour a day reaching out to new clients. If your system is weak, you're just never going to hit your goal. And that brings us to the top of the triangle, the final piece, scale. This is where the magic really happens. This is the stage where you turn all that consistent effort into explosive growth. Your first theme page is a hit? Great. You use your system to start a second one. You sold 1 digital product? Awesome. You create another one. That is how you build real wealth. So there you have it. You've got the methods, you've got the blueprint. The only thing left in this whole equation is you. Are you ready to actually build the system? Are you going to be consistent enough to see it through? The opportunity is right here, right now.